What is critical angle? Anybody knows critical angle definition? Critical angle definition, anybody knows?
Angle of incidence for which angle of refraction becomes 90.
Yeah, I done this.
No, sir.
Mhm. That means when ray of light travels from when ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then only it is possible to have critical angle. When ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then angle of incidence at which angle of refraction becomes 90 degree is called as critical angle. That means when ray of light is going from denser medium to rarer medium, it will move away from normal. So this is I, this is R. But at certain angle of incidence, ray of light will move away from the path and comes on the surface. So this angle of refraction becomes 90 degree. And this angle of incidence then is called as critical angle. So whenever ray of light going from denser to rarer is incident at angle such that R becomes 90, then that angle of incidence is called critical angle. Please write this much. Yes, done.
आपण ऍड्रेस पण
Yes, sir.
चेंज करायला होतं ना आपण ऍड्रेस मध्ये ते नियर वसंत बसतो होतं ना
काय तस्मै काय झालं काय तस्मै हो तस्मै
येस सर
काय वेगळं प्रकार चालू आहे फक्त अभ्यास करा आता so that refractive index of denser with respect to rarer is 1 upon sine of critical angle. Very important. I feel one numerical can be asked based on this concept. They will give you critical angle and they will ask you velocity of some medium. So first we have to find refractive index using this concept. Let us check whether it is true or not. When ray of light goes from one medium to another, so can I say refractive index of second medium to first medium is sin I upon sin r by Snell's law? Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
By Snell's law, mu21 is sin I upon sin r. In our case, second medium is rarer or denser?
Rarer.
Rarer. So if I take reciprocal, then it will become 1 upon denser to rarer. When you interchange, that becomes 1 upon. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And when
Yes.
I becomes critical, that time R becomes how much? 90.
Yes.
So if I do invertendo, denser with respect to rarer will become sine 90 upon sine of critical angle. So refractive index of denser with respect to rarer is 1 upon sine of critical. Right. Ananya, Yash, Aniket, you all have not written test.
So I'll submit it today.
Sir, I'll also give it today.
No, see, please try to do on the same day. Reason that, see, today I have sent the answer key also. So it will not give you that feel of the test. Why we have planned for Sunday? If there is a problem, we'll shift to Monday, no? So if you are facing the problem to write on Sunday, I will shift it to Monday. But it should be that same day everybody is writing. Should I shift it on Sunday, Monday or Tuesday? Or Sunday is convenient, you can manage between 6 to 7. I want same time you all are writing the test. Then only there is advantage of test. So you want me to shift from Sunday to any other day? You can tell me. Hello? Should I shift from Sunday to any other day?
If it's possible on Monday, because I write a test from 2 to 5 on Sundays.
So can I shift on Monday? Same time,
येस सर
6 to 7?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
That
Monday.
will be convenient.
This will be convenient? Okay, no problem. Yeah, done this much. Can I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
Total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. when same concept again. Total internal reflection means angle of incidence should become greater than critical. Then ray of light will not be on the surface, but it will come into the same medium. So when ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then if angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, then ray of light comes back into same medium. This phenomenon is called as total internal reflection. So whenever it is case of total internal reflection, always I will start with some I is greater than critical angle. Then we'll write sine I is greater than sine of critical angle. Then I will write sine I is greater than 1 upon refractive index of tensor with respect to rarer, and solve any sum with this given. Please copy this much. Just after the class, wait for 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Now there is common one, numerical fish का रहता है. A fish is observing towards the surface of water, sees the horizon, feels the horizon or sees the horizon means it feels that there is end, there is no light going that side. So that is possible if entire light comes here, तो उसको लगेगा इसके बाद सब end है. So if the fish is at depth h from the surface, then at certain angle, if it becomes critical angle, this angle of refraction will become 90 degree. तो इधर पूरा light दिखेगा, same way this side, इधर पूरा light दिखेगा, ये dark दिखेगा, ये उसके लिए horizon होता है. So this is suppose R, they can ask you what is radius of horizon, what, or if disk is floating, what is radius of disk. So this is I, even this will be I, critical angle. If mu is refractive index of medium, I am interested in this I, radius of horizon. So can I say refractive index is 1 upon sine of critical angle? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So sine of critical angle is 1 upon mu. So if I construct one right angle triangle, denote this as critical angle, then sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. What will be this base? Mu square minus 1 by Pythagoras theorem.
Yes.
Now can you tell me what is tan of critical angle from the figure, from this figure? Tan of critical angle. पहले चलो इधर से बोल दो, from triangle. From triangle, what is tan of critical angle? Opposite side 1 upon adjacent side root of mu square minus 1. Clear?
Yes.
That is same as ये r upon h equal to 1 upon root of mu square minus 1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So here tan of IC is opposite side 1 upon root of mu square upon minus 1. So r by h equals to this much. So radius of horizon will be h upon root of mu square minus 1. So if you can memorize this formula, then you can get the answer instantly. Radius of horizon is h upon root of mu square minus 1. Please write down this. Yes, done full.
Yes, sir.
अरिन सिंह म्यूट कर दो. Okay, see, for single spherical surface, that means if this is single spherical surface having radius of curvature r, this is mu1, mu2, which is rarer, denser. This is object at distance u. Suppose here we get image. This is image at I after refraction. This is normal here at center. This is r. This is distance v. Madam, right now I am not clear. So this is u and this is v. This distance is r. This is called p. Any of you know formula for single spherical surface? It is mu2 minus mu1 upon r is mu2 upon v minus mu1 upon u. Okay. For single spherical surface, mu2 minus mu1 upon r equals to mu2 upon v minus mu1 upon u. Please write this formula. Done.
Yes, sir.
What is length? What is length? A device made up of transparent material. A device made up of transparent material such as glass, where one surface is always curved and second surface can be either plane or curve. There are basically two types of lens: converging lens, which is also concave lens, and second, diverging lens, or so converging means convex and diverging is concave lens. And converging lens are of three types, diverging lens of three types. Please copy till this, then I will draw the diagram to show the shape of these lenses.
Done, sir.
One note: convex lens are how many types? Hello, anybody knows convex lens how many types?
3.
Which three? Double convex, plano convex,
And concavo convex.
concavo convex. So whichever lens is given, that name we write afterward. Double convex, both the surface are curved, bulging at the center. Plano convex, one side is plane, second is curved. Any one side can be plane, second curved. Concavo convex, this is concavo convex. Then concave lens is also of three types: double concave, plano concave, third convexo concave. Just write the name and draw the diagram so that we see. Diagram is important for convention. If the center of the surface is on the right, that radius I will take plus. If it is on left, I will take minus, like this. This is R1. Left side is always R1. So can you tell by convention where is the center of the first one? Right or left? Center of this first one is where? Right or left?
Right.
Right. So we will take RS plus R1 and R2 ke liye minus R2. So when you remember the shape, then you can analyze immediately. Now draw the diagram, write the names properly.
Done, sir.
Any of you are aware that sometimes converging lens will also behave like diverging lens? You know this, when it can behave like diverging lens?
Sir, when outside medium is denser.
Or I can say when refractive index of material of lens is less than refractive index of surrounding medium, correct na? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So refractive index of material of lens, if it becomes less than that of surrounding medium, then converging will behave as diverging and vice versa. So this is also one of the favorite question. Like a convex lens of refractive index 1.5 is situated in the medium of refractive index 1.7, then it will not behave like converging but diverging. Okay, write this
Yes,
one.
sir.
Right.
Done, sir.
What is lens maker's formula? Are you remembering lens maker's formula?
1 by f वाला, sir.
1
1
by
by f is
f,
equal to 1 by v minus 1 by v.
उसको लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला नहीं बोलते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं 1 upon f is mu minus 1. अभी ये क्या है, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ दैट मटेरियल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर. But suppose it is kept in other material, here it is kept glass with respect to air. But if it is any other material like water, so a glass with respect to water हो जाएगा. Here lens is in air. So 1 upon f, if lens is placed in any other medium, then R wala will remain same. But lens is not in air now. Lens is placed in medium. Or for any lens, we can also write 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Please copy these three formulas.
Done, sir.
Now I'm starting with MCQ with you all. Now only left out is optical instrument in wave optics and then prism. So that theory we'll do after solving few MCQs. 2 pages I have sent you. Just read the first one, first question. Aniket, read the first. When light is refracted from the surface, which of the physical parameter does not changes? Which will not change?
Frequency.
Yes, frequency will not change. By mistake, sometimes we write amplitude does not change. Amplitude changes because some intensity is absorbed. Next one, speed of light in an isotropic medium. What is isotropic medium? Do you know what is isotropic medium? Not write down. An isotropic medium is a medium. An isotropic medium is a medium in which light travels with same velocity in all direction. Light travels with same velocity in all direction. So
Sir,
speed of,
first question explain कर दो ना, वो disconnect हो गया था.
ये तो आपको मालूम रहना चाहिए शायद. रिफ्रैक्शन में क्या होता है, कौन सा चीज चेंज हो सकता है, कांस्टेंट रह सकता है? फ्रीक्वेंसी. क्योंकि जब भी रिफ्रैक्शन होगा पार्टली रिफ्लेक्शन भी होता है ना. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
पार्टली रिफ्लेक्शन हुआ तो इंटेंसिटी रिफ्रैक्शन में कम हो जाएगा. इंटेंसिटी कम तो एम्पलीट्यूड भी कम हो जाएगा. खाली फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम रहने वाले, बिकॉज वो सोर्स डिपेंडेंट है, नॉट मीडियम. Second one, speed of light in an isotropic medium depends on. Isotropic medium का meaning बताया. Velocity is same in all direction. So it depends only on wavelength. Because wavelength कम ज्यादा हो तो speed भी कम ज्यादा होता है. हाँ, mark it very important. Speed in isotropic medium depends only on wavelength. Third one, relate rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear means which propagation? Straight line or any other?
Straight line.
Straight line. So why the rectilinear propagation on the medium takes place? अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी बहुत ज्यादा होगा तो बहुत वेव आएगा ना एक ही पॉइंट पे, तो आपको सब डॉट 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 लगेगा ना, मतलब लाइन. सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी. थियोरेटिकल है. फोर्थ वन, अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूटन्स कॉर्पस्कुलर थियरी. बाय मिस्टेक एक्चुअली वेव थ्योरी ऑफ लाइट के बाद होना चाहिए, फिर भी आपको मालूम होगा शायद. द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज सेम इन ऑल मीडियम. नो, it is lesser in rarer medium. Yes, according to Newton's corpuscular theory, velocity of light in denser is greater than rarer. So speed of light is denser में greater, lesser in rarer. B option. According to Newton's corpuscular theory, denser में greater, so rarer में कम. B option. Fifth, the velocity of light in vacuum can be changed by changing what?
Wavelength.
Velocity of light can be changed by changing the. हाँ सर, बोले नमस्कार सर. नमस्कार. अच्छा, हाँ। जरूर, मैं सर आपका नंबर स्टोर कर लेता हूँ और जरूर बताऊंगा। चलेगा सर, चलेगा। क्यों ये लोग छोड़ रहे हैं? अच्छा, ओके ओके। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, तो फिर ऊपर ही शिफ्ट हो रहा है इसलिए कह रहे हो। कोई बात नहीं। हाँ नहीं बराबर। हाँ जरूर सर, जरूर जरूर, मैं नंबर स्टोर कर लेता हूँ। हाँ सर सर, ठीक है, ओके, जरूर सर। velocity the velocity of light in vacuum, see word देखो क्या लिखा है, vacuum can be changed by, अभी वैक्यूम में तो सब चीज कांस्टेंट ही होता है ना, लैम्डा इन वैक्यूम हर एक का सेम ही होता है ना। हेलो, दे हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन मीडियम, नहीं क्या बोला है, इन वैक्यूम। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
वैक्यूम में कोई भी चेंज नहीं कर सकता, डी ऑप्शन। वैक्यूम नहीं होता तो वेवलेंथ ऑप्शन रहता, because in vacuum velocity is constant, you can't change. Now reflection of light by spherical mirror वाला part, actually assertion reason नहीं आएगा एग्जाम में, फिर भी देख लेते हैं for understanding. When an object is placed between two plane mirror, then all the images found are of equal intensity. Then all the images are of equal intensity. How many images are formed, by the way? How many images are formed when object is placed between two plane mirror?
Infinite.
Infinite. और धीरे धीरे इंटेंसिटी कम हो जाता है, it is not same. So all the images formed are of equal intensity is wrong. Reason, in case of parallel mirror only two images are possible. No. So D option हो गया ना, both are wrong. Hello, have you followed? Both are wrong.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. 7th, for an object placed in front of convex mirror of focal length f, its image is formed. Take 2 minutes and then reveal your answer. Take 2 minutes, think on that, then tell the answer. So anybody got the answer?
So behind the mirror.
Yes. Which mirror it is given? Convex.
Convex.
Convex will have only one type of image, that is virtual. If it is concave, then we have to think real or virtual. So it is always behind, always back of the mirror. A option. 8th one, again take 2 minutes. See, image M is -2. -2 means which type of image? Negative given. Real image, na? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Say linear magnification negative. So image is real. And also it is with concave mirror. So Q and R should be correct option for first one. Q and R I can see given only at C. So that is answer. We'll check other things also. M is -half. So image is real. If it is real, it has to be concave mirror. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So B is also Q and R, correct now? +2 means virtual. Virtual and 2 means it is magnified. Can convex mirror give you magnified image? Convex always gives diminished image. Concave gives virtual, real both, and virtual is always magnified. So C ka answer will be concave mirror, that is Q. And it is virtual. So Q and S both are correct. +half virtual is right and convex mirror. That means option C is correct. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Option C is correct. Huh? Try 9th. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Try. Then we'll discuss.
Third 10 आ रहा है.
What you are getting?
10.
10. Others also got same 10. Let others also check whether it is coming 10. Concave mirror gives image 3 times as large as object. 3 times as large as object at distance of 20 from it. 3 times matlab 3 na magnification. Hello?
Yes, sir.
A concave mirror gives an image 3 times the object. मतलब ये 3 हो गया ना. अभी 3 प्लस भी हो सकता है माइनस भी हो सकता है. तो फिलहाल मुझे एक ही लिख रहा हूं मैं 3. As large as object placed at distance of 20. Object is at 20 मतलब -20. For the image to be real बोला है. Real मतलब M negative होगा ना. For real image. Hello?
Yes, sir.
For real image, M is negative. Object is at this much. Focal length should be what? What will be focal length they are telling? So since M equals to -3, to get focal length I require V. So minus V upon U is -3. Therefore V equals to 3U.
30 आ रहा है.
30 है. Check करते हैं वापस. So V equals to 3 into -20, that is -60 centimeter. Now 1 upon F is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U for length. So 1 upon F is 1 upon -60 plus 1 upon -20. 1 upon F is -1 upon 60 minus 1 upon 20. LCM is 60. So -1 -3 -4 upon 60. f equal to 60 upon minus 4. minus 16 आया, minus 15, correct ना? हेलो,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
15 minus 15 मतलब वो कॉनकेव मिरर है, 15 आएगा 15. अनिकेत देख लो आपका काम मिस्टेक हुआ.
Yes, sir.
10th one. A concave mirror has focal length f. A convergent beam of light is incident on it. Then the image distance will be. See, convergent beam means it is not parallel. Not parallel means object is not at infinity. So image will not come at f. उससे कुछ कम ही आएगा ना फिर. हेलो, convergent light means what? It is not parallel, na?
Yes, sir.
If it is not parallel means object is not at infinity. So image will be not at f. If not at f, तो उसके पहले किधर भी आएगा ना ये. So can I say less than f? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
ये बराबर अच्छे से लिखो. Not convergent means light is not parallel. If parallel, then it meets at focus. So this is not meeting at focus. Beyond focus, क्या पहले focus, क्या बाद में क्या आएगा इसका? Image distance पूछा है ना? So when I am coming closer, see, ये lens है concave. Where is object we don't know. लेकिन वो बोला है it is sending convergent beam. Sorry, divergent. Convergent beam. Okay. तो ऑब्जेक्ट कन्वर्जेंट बीम पैरेलल नहीं है ना, नहीं तो फोकस से पास होएगा. फोकस मतलब अपना ऑब्जेक्ट किधर है, इंफिनिटी. तो ऑब्जेक्ट अगर नजदीक नजदीक आएगा तो इसका इमेज साइज ज्यादा ज्यादा होएगा ना. हेलो, ऑब्जेक्ट नजदीक नजदीक आया तो इमेज साइज ज्यादा ज्यादा होता है ना.
Yes, sir.
ज्यादा ज्यादा मतलब इधर 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 इधर, बाद में वर्चुअल हो जाता है. बराबर. सो बहुत सही समय ये लेस देन एफ. देखो अगर बियॉन्ड एफ रखेंगे, सी रखेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट, तो इमेज किधर मिलता है, बिटवीन एफ एंड टू एफ. बराबर ना. और एट एफ रखा तो इंफिनिटी जाता है. इमेज का बात कर रहा हूं मैं. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा एफ और पी के बीच अगर कन्वर्जेंट बीम है तो इट इज कन्वर्जिंग, मतलब ऐसा बीम पास हो रहा है ना. तो इसका जो इमेज आएगा वो हमेशा लेस देन एफ पे रहने वाला है. उसको बोलते हैं कन्वर्जेंट बीम आया. थोड़ा याद कर लेना ये थियरी, बिकॉज डाइवर्जेंट मतलब सम रे इज कमिंग फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी ऑल्सो. तो हम लोग को ऐसा कोई रे नहीं चाहिए जो कन्वर्ज होएगा एट अ फोकल लेंथ एफ, अ कन्वर्जेंट बीम ऑफ लाइट. तो ऐसा लाइट पास हो रहा है. तो ऐसा जब भी पास होएगा इट विल बी ऑलवेज बिटवीन दिस टू, which we have not done in theory. So this much revise and keep. Next class again we'll do mirror only with some theory. As I told, theory left out is prism formula, ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. ये दो में से जनरली बहुत सम आते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ये वाला पार्ट निपटा देता हूं जो है लेंदी, बट आया तो एक हाथ दो ही आया. दिस संडे टेस्ट विल बी ऑन whatever MCQs we complete. Right now we are doing mirror. If mirror gets over and we come to lens, even that will be there. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you,
थोड़ा
sir.
एक मिनट रुको, थोड़ा ना EMI का भी रख दूंगा 10 सम, so that you are practicing that. 10 EMI sum and then ray optics. This will be your, not Sunday, you told keep the test on Monday. Sunday I will take extra lecture. So that's all for today. We'll meet on now Wednesday because tomorrow you all are not free. same timings. Please revise everything